Welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this lovely strawberry cake you're seeing right here, from A to Z of it. So if you're new to my channel, stick to the end. Welcome to all my old subscribers. Thanks for coming back. Ingredients for this recipe: I'm using 500 grams of butter, I'm using 300 grams of sugar, 10 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is my strawberry flavor, and I'll be mixing with milk, condensed milk flavor. And here is my flour, 500 grams of flour and milk. I'm having my 1 cup of milk. So let's start. I'll be creaming my butter and sugar with my standing mixer. Feel free to cream with your spatula and your bowl. It will still come out beautiful. If you have hand mixer, no problem. Cream a little, and you go ahead to add your sugar. Cream till it's looking fluffy. It's important it's looking fluffy. Like I said before, we are making strawberry flavor cake. So you can see the strawberry flavor I bought. You can see the color. We need to achieve this particular color on this cake. So I'll be adding red color to my batter as it's creaming. You can also put it inside your egg when you're whisking it. You can also put direct. I feel like adding it straight to the butter and sugar here. So you feel free to try any one that works for you. Sometimes I add to my egg, but today I feel like adding it right here. You will see the color has already changed. So you continue creaming. You maintain your butter and sugar need to look so fluffy before you stop. So I'll be measuring my egg today. Yes, I'm going to measure the eggs. I need 500 grams of egg for this. So I'll take my time to measure till I get 500 grams. As you can see, it's more than 500, so I'm going to reduce the egg to make sure I get up to 500 grams. Take your time to whisk your egg and you set aside. I'll be measuring 1 tablespoon of baking powder to my flour. I've already sieved the flour, so I'll be measuring the baking powder right into the flour, and take your time to mix it together and you set aside. So the strawberry flavor, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of strawberry flavor, and I'll also add half tablespoon of condensed milk flavor because I'm using normal milk. That's my evaporated milk, so I don't want the taste to be much, of the flavor to be much. So I'm done. I'll whisk again and I'll set it aside. So right now my dry and wet ingredients are ready, and my butter and sugar is already looking fluffy. So I need to take my time. I add a little of the wet ingredients, a little of the dry ingredients. This is what I'm going to do till everything has all entered into this bowl. Right now I'm done mixing, so I'll be adding my milk. I have 1 cup of milk I've already set aside for this recipe, so I'll pour all together and take my time to mix everything together. Take your time to incorporate everything, and please don't over mix. This is the reason why I don't mix everything inside my standing mixer, so I take my time to do it outside. So I'm done. I greased my pan with with my margarine and flour, and I also used my white paper, that's my exercise book, to line the pan. If you have baking paper or brown paper, you can go ahead and line yours. So I'm using 8 inches pan for this, and I also remove a little for my tester. So after 30 minutes, my cakes are ready. You can see the top is dry, so that is it. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You can join this lovely family by just clicking on the subscribe button and also clicking on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscriber, I welcome you again. Thanks a million for coming back to my channel, for coming around each time I post a new video. So right now I'm taking out all the papers. You can see the surface of the cake looking very shiny. Please, thank you so much, and please, I beg you, don't forget to like this video. Feel free to ask questions, and also feel free to comment. Don't forget to like my video. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.